The flow regime Laminar Turbulent Interactive Calculator determines whether fluid flow is laminar or turbulent by calculating Reynolds number and other critical flow parameters. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate Reynolds number for circular pipe, calculate required velocity, calculate minimum diameter, calculate maximum kinematic viscosity, calculate Reynolds number for rectangular duct, and calculate Reynolds number for annular flow. For this demo, I'm using calculate Reynolds number for circular pipe. The input fields include flow velocity in meters per second, pipe diameter in meters, kinematic viscosity in meters squared per second, target Reynolds number, duct width in meters, duct height in meters, outer diameter in meters, and inner diameter in meters. Let's work through an example. I'll enter flow velocity of 2.5 meters per second, pipe diameter of 0.05 meters, and kinematic viscosity of 0.0001 meters squared per second. After clicking Calculate, the results appear. The results show Reynolds number equals 12,5000 and flow regime equals turbulent. This high Reynolds number confirms turbulent flow, which is expected for these conditions since values above 2300 typically indicate turbulence in pipes. This calculator simplifies flow regime analysis for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.